Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on composite and prime numbers. Composite numbers. Composite numbers have three or more different factors. We saw how factors operated in the last video, so the statement about composite numbers should be easily understood. Example 1. 10 is a composite number because the factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5 and 10. Notice there has to be three or more different factors, three or more. So here there are four of them. Note how 10 adheres to the above definition of a composite number. There are four factors. Example 2. 9 is a composite number because the factors of 9 are 1, 3 and 9. So you have three or more. So there are three here. So that's why 9 is composite. Example 3. Is 8 a composite number? Justify your answer. Justify means give reasons. When you give an answer, you have to give a reason why you believe the answer is true. The factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. So yes, 8 is a composite number because it has four factors. Prime numbers. A prime number is one which has only two different factors. The above definition means that the number 1 is not prime. Example 1. 2 is a prime number because it has only two different factors. They are 1 and 2. In fact, 2 is the smallest prime number. Even though it's even, it is a prime number and it's the smallest. Example 2. 7 is a prime number because it has only two different factors. They are 1 and 7. Example 3. List all the prime numbers less than 16. So all the prime numbers which are less than 16 are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and 13. Example 4. List all the prime numbers between 20 and 30, and they are 23 and 29. There are only two of them. Example 5. State whether each of the following are primes or composites and justify your answer by writing the factors for each number. So we have those six there. So let's look at them in turn. 7 is prime because it has only two different factors. They are 1 and 7. 15 is composite because it has four factors. They are 1, 3, 5 and 15. 19 is prime because it has only two different factors. They are 1 and 19. 27 is composite because it has four factors. They are 1, 3, 9 and 27. 31 is prime because it has only two different factors. They are 1 and 31. And 37 is prime because it has only two different factors. They are 1 and 37. So the last video on factors and this video on primes and composites, I think you've worked out that if you know your tables very well, then these two topics are very, very easy to do. So what's the moral of the story? Please learn your times tables and know them very well.